Here's what 30 minutes of walking each day can do for your body. Whether you're walking for weight loss or just rethinking your commute to work, there are a number of benefits to increasing your daily step count. Plus, while walking for 30 minutes a day might seem like a stretch, that's just 2 15-minute walks or one longer stroll around the park on your lunch break. But what are the benefits of walking on the body? Compared to other forms of exercise, say running or cycling, walking doesn't get much attention, but it's actually a brilliant way to tone up, build muscle, and lose weight. Unlike running, it's a beginner-friendly workout and suitable for most people. The best part? You can grab your running phone holder, a coffee, and even the dog, and get some good exercise as you go. Plus, you can get paid to walk. What happens to your body when you walk for 30 minutes a day? Ready to add some more steps to your fitness routine? Here's what you can expect. You might lose weight when it comes to walking for weight loss. You might want to consider investing in one of the best Fitbits or best fitness trackers to accurately measure your distance traveled and calories burned. On average, an hour's walk will burn between 100 and 175 calories for most people. So, you're not going to lose weight unless you cut back your caloric intake or engage in more vigorous physical activity. But walking faster, for longer, or walking uphill can increase your calorie burn. You can build muscle. Yes, walking does build muscle strength and endurance. So if you're looking to tone up, an hour of walking a day will help you reach your goal. That said, as walking is a cardiovascular exercise, it's not easy to build serious muscle mass from walking alone. For that, you'll probably have to supplement your walks with resistance or strength training. However, rest assured, as the miles tick by, you're looking after your ticker. You can boost your immune system. A daily walk might make you less susceptible to colds and flu by boosting your immune system. One particular study looked at 1,000 different adults during flu season and found that those who did a moderately paced walk for 30 to 45 minutes per day had 43% fewer sick days. Exercise, like walking, is thought to boost the immune system by increasing the circulation of immune cells in the body. It also, as we've already mentioned, decreases your risk of heart disease, can help you lose weight, and sleep better, all of which are good for the immune system.